Hey guys, it's Joe from Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video of this absolutely stunning Honda CB1000R, and this is the Plus model. 2019 on a 69 plate, 3,074 miles, and the bike is absolutely stunning. So it's been the Plus model. Come back up here, Mr. Cameraman. You get this little bit of brushed metal there. You also get the seat cowl with the brushed metal on it as well, and you get the Honda quickshifter. These come standard with the LED display. You also get an LED front light, and you get the daytime running lights and the indicators. You get ABS, traction control, electronic engine braking, and this one has got the factory fitted Honda heated grips. Single sided swing arm on these, they look fantastic. They're an absolutely stunning bike. They've got a really good ride up on these as well. They're meant to be fantastic on road. We'll give it a fire up so you can hear it. These obviously do run a slightly detuned Fireblade engine, so you've got fantastic reliability and some brilliant power. They come with power modes as well, and like I said, they're just a brilliant bike to ride. This one's got some bar risers on it, and it does come with the rear seat as well. Stuff like this is selling immediately, so if you do want this one, be super quick. Get yourself down to Jordan Bikes or give us a call and get it snapped up before someone else does. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very, very fussy, and we put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call. We can send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in, and as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring. You know where we are. Thank you for watching. Cheers.